Welcome. In this lesson I talk about button option. First, the last lesson I talked about how to create cursor. We use cursor for change mouse. When go on button like this is a circle, heart, plus, dot box, sizing, store. In this lesson I talk about button options. Let's delete this and this button Mahmoud Raouf and the cursor heart. We want to give it width and height and background and foreground, and I show you how to use BD and active background and active foreground. Let's start. First I give it width equal, for example, 50, and height equal, for example, 6. Now save and run. Is a width 500 and height 6. We want to change color in this button. I give it foreground equal, for example, red, and give it background equal, for example, blue. Now save and run. This code is a button blue and the foreground Mahmoud Raouf red. Let's give it option in this button. I give it BD equal, for example, 15. Now save and run. Now save and run. Look, now let's click in this button like this, the transform white. We want to change this color. When click in this button, I give it active background equal green. Let's delete this. Now save and run. Look, when click in this button is a background green. Let's change foreground Mahmoud Raouf. I give it active foreground equal, for example, white. Now save and run like this. When click it here like this, Mahmoud Raouf white. Let's change white, for example, brown, like this is a brown Mahmoud Raouf. Let's review what we have done in this video. First, create button and give name Mahmoud Raouf, and I give it width 50 and height 6, and I give it foreground red like this Mahmoud Raouf red and background blue, and I give it BD4 like this is a BD, and when click here we want to change this color. I give it active background green like this green, and active foreground like this blue Mahmoud Raouf blue, and this cursor heart. I hope you like this video and see you next one.